Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be a Zara spring/summer try on haul. I am basically going to be moving to Greece in the next couple of weeks, so I've been selling all of my winter clothes to put my coin into buying some new summer items. I hope you like the outfit that I'm wearing today. It is another Zara piece. I think it is sold out in certain countries, but do check on your local Zara because it may be in stock on your online one or in your store. If not, I will put a link in the description bar to one that is being sold on eBay. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so the first item that I got from Zara was this beautiful green satin printed dress. The satin again is super nice and soft as usual with Zara. It has this beautiful print of this like yellow flowers, and then you got the hint of brown as well. I've gone braless. I think it's a nice and easy dress, perfect for summer because the fact that you can just be nice and loose. I would do the same as me, just go braless in the summertime, maybe like a picnic or walking around in town, shopping or exploring a new country. So you've got like a deep V and then you've got spaghetti straps with that matching colour. If I show you the back, again you've got a V. I don't think we have adjustable, oh we do have adjustable straps, sorry. And then I got this in a size extra small and it's $29.99. And then if you like the earrings as well, I thought it would just look nice, the outfit in the gold would just give it a nice pop of colour, just, you know, little accessories for the outfit. Really beautiful dress. I'll go all the way to the back so you can see the length. For reference, I am 5'3", and so this it's just above my ankles. I think it would also look really nice with like a metal belt. That would make it pop even more. But if you want to be subtle, just go with the cross earrings or any kind of gold earrings that you have. It's fine as well, and it's a really nice and loose dress. It feels great around the hips. It's not tight at all. I am usually a UK size 8, so hope that helps as well. Da 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 da. Ooh, I love this skirt. A really beautiful pink floral skirt. Oh, it looks so good online. I was like, oh my god, I have to try it on. So pretty. So it's got a slit on my left side if you want to show off a little bit of a leg. But on the right side it is covered. It's a nice little soft satin, not see-through at all. Fits perfectly around my waist. I got it in a size extra small and I am a UK 8 or 6 around the waist. I'll show you the back as well. Really nice feel around the back as well, and on my bum, really nice and comfortable. It's kind of got this like stitching effect here, just to give it like a dimensional design. I really like the skirt. It is longer than I expected because I am wearing it kind of high-waisted, like it's quite high on my waist, but it's still the skirt. If you can see the length of it, it's just above my ankles. I don't know why I'm out of breath today. I'm so sorry for that. But I will also try and put the camera down so you can see the real length of it as well. But yeah, a really pretty skirt. I love it. Love the colours. So summery, so vibrant. Going in size extra small, it says €25.95 and just matched up with the crop top and then the gold earrings. Okay, so that should give you a better view of the length, and then hopefully you might even see my socks as well. So this is just me standing nice and flat on the ground. How gorgeous is this beautiful little crop top? I absolutely love this. First of all, it fits amazing, and I'm not wearing a bra in this, but I feel super supported. But look at that, look at those like little shells. Aren't they so gorgeous? And like they feel so real as well, like they have the little claws and everything. So pretty. Really love this little crop top. Really nice. As I said, like I'm super supported in this. It's in a size extra small and I am a 32D and size 8, but this is so gorgeous. It's just giving me beautiful beachy vibes. Oh, it's so lovely. I just saw it and I was like, oh my god, it looks interesting, let me try it on. But yeah, it looks so nice on. So big chunky straps, and then the back has elastic, which makes it really nice and easy to get on. But then you also have a zip as well that kind of goes upwards, which is nice. I just paired it up with this cute little skirt. It's got like I don't know how to explain that lacy detail on the side. You could tie it up in a bow, but I've just left it loose on both sides. Fits amazing. It's a size small, and look at that. Like, it fits amazing, and it still has stretch to it. And it's just a cute little mini. This would be a cute little outfit, like, you know, if you're away on a holiday and you want to eat in the night time, but it's still really nice and hot. I think this is a perfect outfit because, okay, it is sexy and provocative, but it's not that bad. Like, you're showing off a little bit cleavage, you're only showing a little bit of belly, but oh, it is a cute little outfit. I'll put a link to the skirt. It's not from Zara, but I'll put a link to it in the description bar. The top is from Zara. It was an extra small, and it was $19.99. So yeah, really cute outfit. This pink top is amazingly soft. Like, it's a really nice and thick top, so I think it's really great for this season where it's spring but it's still kind of a bit chilly and you might need a coat. The sun has just not been showing its face enough, but this is so soft. Oh my god, it feels so comfy on. I don't want to take it off. So it is an off-shoulder pink top. It has this kind of cutout detail on the ends of the sleeves, which I like. Just a little fun. Really beautiful soft material, a knitted material. And guess what? It is in the special prices range. I think this top was only $12.99, and you can reuse this. You can use it in this season, autumn, spring, and in winter time as well. Probably past in spring and summer as well, just depending on like the weather. If it's too hot, it'll be too much for it. But I love it. It's so nice. So it has that laid over effect. And then it works nice again with that little black skirt. So as I said, I got it in a size small, and it was only $12.99 because it is in the Zara special price sale. Wow, amazing, right? This is stunning. Is this a copy of an actual designer? Because, you know, Zara, apparently you like to steal off other runways, because this looks very designer-esque, doesn't it? It does not look like high street. It looks like something that should have been worn down the runway. But anyway, if I get to have it too, you know, at a decent price, I'm not complaining. I love this cutout detail. I think I'm wearing it right. I have a tendency of wearing things wrong. I don't know, I'm just a crazy person, but I think this time I actually am wearing it right. If not, I'm sorry. But here is the cutout detail. Really nice and pretty. You've got this like gold hook as well. Just a nice little extra detail, I think. I love the colour blocking. I love these two colours, white and yellow, work so nice together. I'll show you the back of them as well. It is, sorry, I'm wearing my underwear underneath, so you may just see a hint of pink, just for hygiene reasons. But yeah, really nice swimsuit, very sexy, but really comfy as well. I really like it. I got this swimming costume in a size small, and it's $25.99. I will show you the back as well, because it has a cutout at the back. But yeah, this is really cute. I've been addicted to buying swimming costumes because I'm going to Greece. Okay, so here's this kind of fun striped dress from Zara. Off the bat, I don't like it. It's got a massive slit down the middle, and I'm sorry if you can see my underwear, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks like on. I hope my videos are helpful, so you can, you know, save you from going into the stores and save you from purchasing items that you end up having to return because they end up horrible. For the first time in a long time, this is a product that I absolutely hate, material wise, sizing wise, and the look of it. The slit is too over the top, like it's way too high. They need to do more buttons down. The material is horrible as well. It's not horrible, I shouldn't be that mean with it. The material is just not that nice. It looks so much better online. It looks completely different in person. I got this in a smaller size and it looks massive on me. And like the arms are just way too long. I'm so disappointed in Zara because usually they're amazing and usually I love them and I have only positive things to say about Zara, but this item is a no-no. I got it in a size small and it's $25.99. Not worth that at all. Yeah, this like extra material. I've just made a bow here, but it's just going to be returned. I absolutely hate the dress. I'll show you the back though. I got a similar dress, a striped dress from Zara. So I'm going to put a link in the description bar instead for that one. If you want to get this kind of style, if you like this colour, buy that one instead. Do not buy this one. It's horrible. Okay guys, so that was the end of my Zara try on haul. Just something nice and short and just some good little summer pieces. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like the items that I selected. And also check me out on Instagram, even though I have not been there for some time. I've been busy. My name is Payda101 and I'll see you soon. Bye.